everyone, welcome to 200th episode of Campus This Week. I'm RJ Rachel from Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, 6th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Global Reach, your preferred overseas education advisor. The headlines this week: Radio Club opened doors for aspiring broadcasters. Brainbow Association explores complexities of modern relationships. Women's Day lecture inspires female students. Infosys and Microsoft Foundation train 2 outgoing batches. Research Methodology seminar held. SHAKAII quiz event unites social work students. The news in detail. Siliguri. Radio Club opens doors for aspiring broadcasters. Ashmita Moulick, Commerce Department 6th semester reports.
On the occasion of 13th World Radio Day 2025, Salesian College Autonomous proudly launched its Radio Club, pioneering initiative under the direction of Father C.M. Paul, Vice Principal, Sciences, and Director of Radio Salesian and Salesian TV. The club was founded under the leadership of Anand Kumar, PG Psychology Department, and Ali Muizuddin, PG English Department, making it the first in the college club to have its own website and mobile application. The Radio Club aims to provide students across departments with a creative platform for expression, public speaking, content creation, podcasting, and broadcasting through 90.8 FM. The club fosters inclusivity by recognizing all contributors, not just voiceover artists. Open to students from all disciplines, the club welcomes poets, storytellers, scriptwriters, and artists among others. With workshops, career opportunities, and a strong sense of community, the club embodies its motto, "No voice left unheard." The launch marks a new chapter for aspiring media enthusiasts at Salesian College.
Ashmita Moulick reporting. Siliguri. Brainbow Association explores complexities of modern relationships. Sushmita Chowhan, Department of Psychology, 6th semester reports.
The Brainbow Association under the Department of Psychology, Salesian College Autonomous, Siliguri, in collaboration with IQAC, is organizing a 2-day lecture on relationship and attachment. The first session was held on 14th of February 2025. Assistant Professor of Psychology at Salesian College, Siliguri, Ms. Sharmila Vishwakarma, hosted the day-long session on decoding modern relationships. The lecture provided a comprehensive view on the complexities of modern-day relationships, highlighting the need for greater understanding, flexibility, and communication in building meaningful and lasting connections in today's dynamic social environment. A short debate on dating apps are good or not generated much participation among students. The lecture further addressed common challenges faced in relationships and offered strategies to promote healthy attachment patterns. After an interactive activity by master's students, session concluded with a vote of thanks by the President of Brainbow Association. Next session is scheduled for 17 February 2025.
Sushmita Chauhan reporting. Siliguri. Women's Day lecture inspires female students. Ankita Baroi, BCom Department 6th semester reports.
On the occasion of National Women's Day, the Women's Cell organized a special lecture on 13th February 2025. The esteemed speakers for the lecture were Dr. Swati Das, periodontist, and Dr. Smita Das Khos, gynecologist. The topic was Turning Woes to Vows, and the participants included all female students. After the invocation and felicitation of the guest by the Vice Principal, the session began. An array of topics were covered, focusing on the common challenges faced by females, particularly skin and scalps related issues. The speakers emphasized the importance of regular face cleansing and the use of sunscreen for skin protection. Focus was given on health and maintaining an ideal weight and height. Throughout the session, students actively participated by asking several questions, and the speakers addressed the concerns and even recommended some medicines for skin-related problems. The session concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Ms. Shraddha Sharma, the coordinator of Women's Cell.
Ankita Baroi reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College Autonomous Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri. Infosys and Microsoft Foundation trained 2 outgoing batches. Nisha Giri, BCA Department 4th semester reports.
2 trainers, Mr. Dipendra Rai and Ms. Nidhi Singh from Siliguri-based ITS company MTT Global, are training 2 batches of outgoing Salesian College Siliguri students since 10th February 2025. The training is implemented on behalf of Hyderabad-based Training Management Institute E2E Education to Employment Academy. An ITS company provides information technology-enabled services. In the first 2 weeks, Infosys Foundation focused on communication skills and customer relationship management. In the 3rd week, students will undergo 2-hour specialized training on Microsoft platform tuned towards artificial intelligence. Divided into morning and afternoon batches, students who log in a total of 30 hours are eligible for dual certification by Infosys Foundation and Microsoft Foundation.
Nisha Giri reporting. Siliguri. Research Methodology Seminar held. Diya Subba of Sociology Department 4th semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri hosted a guest lecture on research methodology on 10 February 2025. Dr. Priyanka Karmakar, Assistant Professor of Sociology at the University of North Bengal, delivered the lecture. The session commenced with introduction by Pema Lama of Sociology, 6th semester, and felicitation of Dr. Priyanka by Vice Principal of Science and Director of Radio Salesian and Salesian TV, Father C.M. Paul. Assistant Professor Chunku Lepcha, Head of Department of Sociology, introduced Dr. Priyanka Karmakar. Students from the departments of Sociology and Education attended the event. Dr. Karmakar discussed positivism and phenomenology in sociological research, covering types of research methods, qualitative and quantitative approaches, and primary and secondary data collection. She highlighted the differences between positivism, which relies on empirical data, and phenomenology, which focuses on lived experiences. The lecture concluded with a lively question and answer session, allowing students to clarify doubts and engage in discussion.
Diya Subba reporting. Siliguri. SHAKAII quiz event unites social work students. Annie Rai, Social Work Department 2nd semester reports.
The second-year students of Social Work Department organized SHAKAII event for first and third-year students. The name Shakai is of Japanese origin and has multiple meanings. In Japanese, Shakai translates to society or community. It represents the interconnectedness of individuals within a social structure and emphasizes the importance of relationships and collective well-being. The secretary of the association, Lorenzola Pachal, and his team conducted a quiz for Core A, Core B students of first and third years who enthusiastically participated in the event. The participants were divided into 3 groups, A, B, and C. All the members participated actively and Group A earned the highest score and emerged as a winner. The engaging and exuberant educational activity concluded by handing out small rewards for the winners. Annie
Rai reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by Global Reach, your preferred overseas education advisor. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.